Okay, so guys, I really wanted to show you what it was like for me to clean even on a pain day. Like, still has to be done. I'm the only person here. I don't have house fairies. If you guys have a spare house fairy that wants to come over and clean my house when it's nasty, I am down faux dead. So I literally just woke up. Yeah, because I didn't go to bed till almost 6 something this morning, so I got a full 5 hours of sleep. I've been cleaning for a damn near hour. That's what my kitchen and stuff looks like after like 3 days of me not really picking it up and like cooking in it, and that's what it looks like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so today was Wednesday. So I had no choice but to clean it, and then later on I will attack my little laundry area that I have not had a chance to do yet, but it ain't today. Not today, Satan. Not today. I'm hurting. So instead of pain medication, which is what I would really like to take, but I'm trying to taper myself off of that as much as possible, I'm gonna use me some good old extra strength tiger balm to see if I can't get my back and my hip to stop hurting real much bad. Other than that, I'm gonna sit here and edit the video for today, which is the video that should have came out on Monday, but California's on fire and life happens and I couldn't get it up. Well, I mean, I couldn't. I don't have that equipment, but that's not really the point. I could not get it. You guys asked questions and it took me like 30 minutes to answer them all. I didn't think about that before. I was like, and I don't use Snapchat or anything like that. You know, like how those big ass YouTubers who got all that fandangle stuff, like they'll get on Snapchat with all their followers. Well, I don't do Snapchat, so I don't have a whole bunch of followers. And I don't have a ton of followers on Instagram because I just don't care. Like, it doesn't matter to me how many people follow me, just as long as they're not horrible people. I actually put my Instagram back on private. I do that a lot. Like, I'll take it off for a little while and then I'll put it back on private because shit creeps me out. And that's why my Facebook is on private, because sometimes people creep me the hell out. So I'm gonna upload all this video and then I'll edit it, and this will probably maybe be Friday's video, because I already have like today's video, which would be Wednesday. I have tomorrow's video, which will be Thursday, and this one should be Friday's video. And I ain't got no idea what I'm going to do for Saturday or Sunday's video yet, but I want to make sure that I've got stuff kind of... loaded, because like I said, we're starting to having to pack up the house, so you'll be seeing some packing up the house videos, the best I can do. Yeah, I woke up, came downstairs, looked at the kitchen, said nope, gotta do it, keep putting it off, gotta do it. A lot of times I have a lot of doctor's appointments, and then me and Matthew have to go out to therapy and do all kinds of stuff after work, so I just let shit slide for a couple of days, and then a couple of days turns into, oh my God, what is that smell? And then I have to clean it. You gotta do it. Like, do I feel good today? Hell no. Does my back kill me? Oh yeah. Does my hip like burn? Did I want to do any of that today? No. But it's important to get it done even on days you don't feel like you can, even on days that you're depressed, even on days where you can't even manage it. I stopped quite a few times. I didn't like leave the kitchen or anything, but I stopped for a minute and gave my back just a second to relax, because I knew that if I just went ahead and got it done, then I could go sit down. So I picked up my living room. I have a laundry room, which is my dining room right now, where we've kind of put all the clothes and stuff for me to go through, because I'm donating them to my, donating some of them that I'm not taking with me to, the new house. We have a support group, which I'll be going to tonight, which I will try to film some of that tonight and see if you guys would see what you guys think of that. You can tell that I've had no coffee, I've had no caffeine, and I'm just drinking water. So in the middle of my video, I tell you guys, and you probably can't hear it because I'm gonna have to have music over everything, because I was playing music on here and it doesn't allow me to play music, to upload music to YouTube, so I have to cut it out and put something else in its place. But I was telling you guys that, you know, I make myself a big old cup of coffee, but I'm not allowed to have it till I finish my water. And this is a 40-ounce thing of water, and I probably have like this much of it left. So I gotta finish this, then I can have my coffee. Yeah, then I can have my coffee. And I want my coffee real much bad. I want this coffee pretty much, like right now. But as a weight loss surgery patient, I know which one's more important and which one my body needs the most, which is the water. So I'm not judging anybody who has coffee first. Legit, I'm not judging anybody, but I have to take my iron. I've got to take all my pills in the morning, and I try to take those with nothing but water. It usually takes me, oh hell, it usually takes me like probably close to almost an hour to drink 40 ounces if I'm doing other stuff, and I'm not just chug. So since I got up at 11, like 10 something, I'm almost done with that, but I've been walking around doing stuff. So anyway, Anywho, my arms are shaking because I need, stop it. I need to take my medicine, and I need to, stop it! I let go of it, my arm's like, no, I don't remember. I need to have a medicine, and my husband should be home for lunch pretty soon, which means that I gotta get back up and make my hubby some food. I love your beautiful, gorgeous, amazing faces. I hope you enjoy that. Like last time, you guys enjoyed watching me clean, and I probably was a lot more animated last time because I don't feel good today. So, but I thought today would be a good day to show you, well, even if when you don't feel good, shit still gotta get done. I love you, and I'll talk to you guys probably Saturday. So, mwah. Bye.